Hello guys, good evening and welcome back to my channel MSAK Trading. Let's go and check out how Nifty and Bank Nifty has performed first. Then we'll also discuss about the levels, new levels, what I'll create for tomorrow's trading. And let's also see how the price has reacted and how the trade we might have taken based on yesterday's plan. Well, Nifty you can check out yesterday as I said you. I had said you in case price opens above this 7th December candle high. I had said you if the price sustains above this, there are good chances we'll see 13,400 to come, and max to max I was expecting 13,420, and today you can see prices have reversed almost from that level itself. The resistance line what I had drawn. I'll also show you how I had drawn resistance line while we are analyzing for tomorrow. You can see price had beautifully moved up. It was a gap up, and once price closed above this bearish candle high, that is first 5-minute candle high, the prices have moved up. Let me zoom the chart. Yes, you can check it out now. Price had gapped up here, and you can see once the next candle, right after that, there was a bullish candle, and once it closed above this high, the first candle high, we could see price moving upside. Yes, you can check it out now. Right, it had gone to 13,400 and then to 13,420, and you can see from this trend line itself the price has reversed and it had entered the zone again. And below this zone you can see the prices again came down, but it didn't come down to the zone what we had marked yesterday. And from this level, once the price entered this zone, after there was a good bullish candle close here, you can see the price again moved up to 13,400, and then again it has sustained somewhere around 13,420 itself. From there it has entered the zone again. So briefly if I have to say, there was just two trades. This level, this was the first trade, what I can see here, almost around 30-35 points, and again the next trade you can see somewhere here. There were the two long trades what you could have taken. I had taken these two long trades today. And on the Bank Nifty, if you see, Bank Nifty I had straight away said you this will be a strong resistance zone. You can see here I had marked R1, and I also said you about the support zone S1. I had said you in case the price breaks this trend line, this will enter the zone and probably it will go up to the previous candle low, that was 7th December candle low. This low I am talking about. Not 7th December candle low. This is the swing low what I was talking about, right? And you can see the first candle it was a bearish candle and it had entered the zone, and you can see there was again a rejection at this level. From here shorts could have been initiated. This was the one trade, and second, once this had closed beautifully above this zone, you can see the prices had again moved up to the resistance zone itself, right? Now let's go ahead and analyze how we can trade Bank Nifty and Nifty tomorrow. Let me show you in Bank Nifty first. First let's see what has happened with the daily chart. These are all the levels what I have drawn, guys. Let me delete all these drawings first. Well, today you can see there has been a bearish candle, Let me go to the lower time frame and delete the drawings first. Also delete this so that it will be easy for you to see the candlestick what it has formed. You can see now I've gone to 1 day chart, right, and you can see this today's candle looks kind of bearish candle itself. Yes, that's a bearish candle, and there's been good tug of war here today. Neither buyers nor sellers could have been winners today. So for tomorrow, let me go and check out 2 hour chart first. Let me tell you based on 15 minutes chart. For tomorrow, this is going to be a strong resistance zone again, because price had failed to close above this level today. This is going to be a resistance zone. Let me mark R1. This is the first resistance zone what I see, and the next support zone is somewhere here within this level itself. This is a new support zone what I see here. So I'm probably going to delete this previous zone what I had drawn. This white zone will be deleted now because I see a new formation happening. You can see here, this is what I'm talking about. Yes, so this will be the first resistance zone, a good zone because there was a reversal from here today and price had failed to close above this zone, and this is going to be a support zone. The reason, we can see the price had moved up again from this level itself. You can see this level, from here the price had moved up, and again from here the price had come down a little. So for tomorrow guys, R1 and S1 will be this. This will be the R1 and this will be the support zone what I'm looking for, and this is the resistance zone. Tomorrow if price trades below this level, let me mark it. If price trades below 30 to 70, we can see price coming to 3189 and 3147 or 150, you can take it as this support zone I'm talking about. And in case if price trades above this level 3450, we can see price moving upside. You can also try to short if price reverses from R1 for a target of 3270 or 3280, and below this again we can see somewhere around 3150. Let me check out the trend line as well based on 2 hours chart. Well guys, you can check it out. This has become a strong zone now. You can see in 2 hour chart itself how prices have been playing within these two zones for a couple of days now. In case price reverses from here, from this level, you can take a short for 3280 as a target, first target, and second 3190, and then you can expect this support zone to enter. And once prices enter this zone and if it reverses again, right, you can expect 3190 and 3270 as a target. And in case if price sustains above this, yes, again we can expect this zone to enter, that is 3400. So you know where to short and where to go long. This level, from this level I would probably take a long trade, and if this enters and if it reverses from here, then I'll take a short trade. We can have a good risk reward ratio as well for tomorrow's trade, provided prices enter this zone, because you can see from past on 2 hour chart, you can see from almost around 1 2 3 4 5 6 candles are trading within this range itself. So this is a very wide range. You can trade according to your setups, or you can just watch out the zones and take the trade based on the zones itself. In case you don't have any idea on the zones, very soon I'll be releasing videos on the zones also. You'll have an idea how the zones I'm drawing, or else you can check out my previous videos where I've said you how to draw zones. Okay, so Bank Nifty is going to be very simple setup. There's no much confusion here. I'll just mark the horizontal lines so that you can see the zones properly, what I've marked. I'll take this 3391, and on the top 3450. It's almost 60 point zone. As I've said you before, let me repeat the same thing what I'd said you in 15 minutes chart. I would wait for a good timing to short here. If price enters this level and if it reverses from here, I would take a short trade for 3276 as of target 1, and below this I'm looking for 3189 and 3150. This is one trade what I'm looking for. And in case price enters this level, the support zone what I'm talking about, and if it reverses, my again the next trade would be for a target of 3260 or 70, and above this 3280 I would again see for a resistance zone, that is 3390 and 3400 levels. So Bank Nifty looks very simple for tomorrow's trade. Now let's go and check out how we will take the trade based on Nifty. Let me go to daily chart. Let me zoom this chart and show you how the resistance trend line what I've drawn on the upside. See here, you can just check it out. Price has respected the resistance line what I've drawn. This I'm talking about, this line. You can see price had hit here today and it has formed something like a kind of doji. It's kind of doji. So doji's high and low will be very important. Let me repeat this. In Nifty, doji's high and low is going to be very important. If price trades above this high, today's candle's high, we can see some good momentum on the upside, and below this low we can see some good momentum on the downside. So doji's high and low will be very important. Let me go and check out 2 hours chart. You can check out what has happened today. This is 8th December. The first candle was kind of spinning top. The second, again it has come down. There was good buying pressure, but there's a lot of buyers and sellers sitting here with a tight position. That's the reason the prices have been unable to move in a particular direction. So I'll mark today's candle high and also today's candle low. This high and low is going to be very important for trading. Let me check out 15 minutes chart. Guys, this is today's high what I marked. This and this is today's low. These 2 points are going to be very important, that is 13,435 and 13,311. So in case if price breaks tomorrow's high, and sustains above this, remember one thing, there is going to be a new resistance zone somewhere here within this level. The reason, because we have a trend line here on the upside which will be resisting price as it has resisted today. You can see the price resistance I am talking about. Price had resisted here today, and the same way price can resist again tomorrow somewhere near the trend line, somewhere here, somewhere you take it as 13,460, or price can reverse from the same place from where it has reversed today, this level. So, this way. Okay, so for tomorrow's trade setup, if I'm planning something, let me tell you what my idea is. I'll mark this last candle, 15 minutes candle, high and low, as an important level, right? So in case price breaks this level on the upside, talking about this, price sustains above this zone itself, that is 13,400 levels, you can expect 13,435. This is first target, and the second target would be somewhere around 13,450 and 13,470. This is the max level I am seeing for. And in case price falls down from this level, right, below this candle low, the last 15 minutes candle low, that is 13,375, you can see the low here. In case price falls below this low, if it sustains below this low, I can again see 13,360 and probably 13,300 levels, somewhere around 13,320 and 13,300 levels to come in. These are the two trades, and if price reverses here, this also trade can be taken on the short side. But for short side, from this resistance level, you'll have to be very careful, and you'll have to have a tight stop loss, because there are good chances if this zone breaks, the price can start moving upside. But remember, there is trend line which is going to resist here. This is the one what I am talking about, this trend line. So for both Nifty and Bank Nifty, on Nifty, as I said you, it's a doji, it's kind of doji, so high and low will be very important. And if in case the low of today's candle breaks, that is somewhere around 13,111, it will come towards the trend line, and any breach of this trend line we can see 13,280 and 13,250 to come in. And on the upside, if price breaches this resistance level, that is today's high, we can see a maximum momentum on the upside of 30 to 40 points, that is 13,360 and 13,370. So guys, if you have your own setup trade based on that, these levels what I have shown you, you can just check it out tomorrow how it works. Usually price respects the resistance and support zones a lot, and whenever you're trading, make sure you trade with tight stop loss and be trailing your targets as you get in, so that you don't lose the potential profit what you earned. Guys, that's all for now. We'll again meet tomorrow. I'll see how Nifty and Bank Nifty has performed based on our zones and levels. And in case you have not subscribed this channel, please go ahead and subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. Take care guys, I'll see you tomorrow again. In case you have any doubts, you can just drop in comments, so that I'll see the comments and I'll try to reply whatever doubts you have. Chalo guys, I'll see you tomorrow again. Have a good day.